Hi, welcome to AK Limitless Golf. This quick video will show you everything you need to know to get started.
The first thing you'll want to do when you get to your bay is turn the computer on by pressing the power button. Then grab the white Epson remote and press the power button once to turn the projector on. Once TPS is open, you'll want to sign in with your Trackman account using the Trackman app. You can download the Trackman app from the App Store and create an account if you haven't already. Then press Quick Login in the app and scan the QR code on the monitor. Once you're signed in, you can go to the practice range by pressing on the practice icon at the main menu and then selecting range. Once on the range, select which club you'd like to use. Before you take a swing, ensure the golf ball is inside the hitting area. An animation will show up at the bottom of the screen if the ball is outside the hitting area. You can change clubs by pressing on the club icon in the bottom left corner. When you're ready to leave the range, press the Trackman button at the top left corner and then press Quit to return to the main menu. Press the shot analysis icon in the practice menu to get a full analysis of each swing. Select which club you'll be using and press the 4 squares in the top right corner to choose which data you'd like to see from your swing. You can also go to the Target Practice feature from the practice menu to hit shots from different lies and yardages. Also in the practice menu is the Map My Bag feature. To use this feature, you'll need to create a bag within the Trackman app and select which clubs are in your bag. Use this feature to save the average yardages for each of your clubs. You can access these yardages when you're out in the real course through the app. To access the over 550 courses, press Courses from the main menu. Once you have a course selected, go into the game settings to change game, course, and view options. If it is not letting you start the game, make sure in the settings that the gross scoring option is selected. To access mulligans and other shot options, press your player name in the top left corner. Once you're on the green, press the grid icon to show the break on the green. To skip to a specific hole, press your name and score in the top right. If you're ever in the middle of a round or at the range and your shots aren't registering, press the Trackman button in the top left and then press Calibrate in the top right. Once the calibration screen shows up, press Auto Target to recalibrate the Trackman. If this still doesn't fix the issue, or if the entire screen is frozen, exit out of VG3 and TPS by pressing the Windows button on the keyboard, and right-click on the window to exit. Then reopen TPS by double-tapping or clicking on the icon back at the desktop. If you ever encounter a black bar showing up at the top of the projected image, simply press the menu button on the Epson remote and then exit the menu to remove this bar. When your booking is over, please clean up the bay for the next guest by throwing your trash away and wiping the table down using the supplied wipes and paper towels. And that's everything you need to know to get started. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out.